Here's a demonstration of the sanding kit. So you just take this handle and you attach whatever grit you want. It's got all these different grits. So if I just pull out this one right here, for example, this is gonna be a 180 grit. And let's grab another one to test. Let's go with this one right here. An 800 grit. Let's go 800 first, and then we'll go 180. So you just attach it to this kind of Velcro right here on the back, just like that. You can attach it a little cleaner than that. There we go. That's pretty good right there. And then just start sanding. And it's a nice little handheld handle right here. As you can see, it's really easy to take them off. Got a little chip in the wood right there, and throw the 180 on, give that a little run. And the handle, it feels nice, and it has some like flex to it. It's not just straight plastic. It's kind of more like a really hard rubber with a little bit of flex to it, so that's really nice. So there's a look at how this sanding kit works. Super fine detail, comfortable handle, easy to install and uninstall these sandpapers. So great kit here. You're definitely gonna like it and find it useful.